All right, picture this. You're camping in an RV and you're in an area that has no cell signal, no Wi-Fi, no electricity. The horrors. What do? You find yourself really bored or at one with nature. That's up to you. But if you like to have a little bit of entertainment like movies or whatever, but you have no Wi-Fi signal or no cell phone signal, how are you going to stream your best shows? Well, I got the solution for you. What we do is we actually will download some footage. Now, this is just dog TV right here because we have one of these guys over here. And when we leave the trailer, this is the best babysitter. So we always make sure that we have a little bit of dog TV. So that's what we're seeing right here. But wait, let me show you guys this really quickly. So you have this screen right here. You have this screen right here. Exactly the same. And then come over here and you have this screen right here. That's exactly the same. 3 screens that are the same, and you don't need internet access. You just need a computer or a laptop or whatever to stream all 3 of the same thing. So if you have more than one TV in your RV, you can get showing on everything. I know that's just a use case when you don't have internet or whatever. This is just a receiver. You can have up to 8 different receivers here. So think of that for a church production or just a big studio production where you got to have a lot of monitors displaying the same thing. We don't need that. But what we do is we like to have one in our laptop, so that's the transmitter. And then these guys, we have 2 receivers. We usually have 1 receiver for a TV. And then what my favorite thing to do is take this other receiver right here, like you see, and either have it on another monitor, or I stick this in the back of our projector. So whenever we do movie night, when we're camping, we can just stream it straight from our laptop into the projector, no Wi-Fi or internet needed. So that's really cool when we do that. Now, one of the nice things about this particular kit is that it comes with all of the different attachments that you may need to connect it. Now, you just obviously get the standard HDMI here, but wait, what if you're needing a mini HDMI? Or what if it's really hard to reach and you need to get a little bit of an extension, like on your computer or whatever, they give you that little extension for HDMI. The other thing is, what if you have a laptop that you want to rock 4K on? You want to get the best image quality right here. They give you a USB-C to HDMI in 4K quality. That's pretty cool. And then you have a couple other accessories with a bunch of different charging cords for each of the transmitters to kind of duplicate that out as well. You're not just going to get just one, you're going to get a couple of each of those so that you have one for each receiver. Now this goes up to about 100 and 150 feet, somewhere in that area. So we're going to go test that really quick. But the only thing I'm going to mention is that if you do use one of these, it's going to need to be on its own separate power source. So if you're using this as the receiver into a TV, a lot of times you can just plug this right into the TV and the TV will generate its power, laptop, whatever. But if you're using a separate monitor like I am right here for our little test that we're going to do today, you do need a power brick to power this guy up. And so then we can take this little monitor outside and use it anywhere that this is going to receive a signal. So come along with us on our journey here as we show you exactly how far this signal will do. Now, the other thing I want to show you, as soon as I push this in, look at how fast it's going to recognize it, and boom, you have image. Now that is really about 5 feet away. So we're going to run that test one more time outside. Let's see how far we can get an image streaming through the receiver and the transmitter. So let's just keep hoofing it. It says about 150 feet, so we're going to test that. That trailer right there is throwing the signal, and you can see I'm already to the neighbor's trailer right here, and we're going to keep walking. We're going to keep streaming. This is definitely further than you probably need it to go, but this is awesome so that you can get that outdoor signal. You can put on a computer. Like I said, what we do, we hook this up to our projector and it becomes movie night right here. We're going to walk a little further. Right here is about where you get. And streaming is starting to buffer. I will say the quality's still there, but what you're having is this is unwatchable footage right here. But I mean, that is ridiculously far. So if I just back up, it catches this signal, And then honestly, if I didn't have any walls or interference, so if it was outdoor, I probably could go a little bit further, you know, line of sight and all that stuff. So if your use case is where you need to have 1, 2, 3, up to 8 different devices connected to the same device, it's going to be good. Think video production like I was talking about. Or if you want to just take it camping with you, throw it on a projector where you have no internet, where you have no Wi-Fi, where you truly just get away. You want movie night under the stars, this thing is going to work like a boss for you.